5 ways drone photography enhances web design. By integrating drone photography into the web design process, designers can create visually stunning websites that captivate and engage users. 1. Improved aesthetics. Drone photography offers unparalleled detail and visual appeal to web design. By incorporating high-resolution aerial images captured by drones, designers can showcase the beauty and uniqueness of a location or subject. Whether it is a sprawling landscape, a cityscape, or even an architectural marvel, drone photography can capture the essence of a place like never before. These stunning visuals can be used as hero images or background images on websites, instantly grabbing users' attention and creating a visually appealing experience. 2. Unique perspectives. Drones allow photographers to capture images from vantage points by flying at varying heights and angles. Such perspectives provide a fresh and exciting viewpoint and allow viewers to see familiar subjects in an entirely new way. 3. Engaging visual experiences. Designers can integrate drone footage into the web design by incorporating dynamic and interactive elements such as scroll-triggered animations, parallax effects, and sliders. For instance, a travel website can use drone videos to showcase popular destinations, allowing users to virtually explore the location through stunning aerial footage. This immersive experience gives users a glimpse of what to expect and entices them to dive deeper into the website and learn more. 4. Increased user engagement. By leveraging drone photography, web designers can create visually captivating content that holds the viewer's attention for longer. Drone photography can also create interactive features like 360-degree tours. Web designers enhance user engagement by allowing users to interact with websites and explore the visuals at their own pace. 5. Enhanced brand storytelling. Drone photography can be a powerful tool for enhancing brand storytelling by capturing compelling visuals that align with the brand's narrative. By showcasing these visuals on their website, the organization can effectively communicate its mission and generate empathy and support from its audience. This storytelling approach adds depth and emotional resonance to the website, making it more memorable and impactful. In conclusion, drone photography has significantly enhanced the field of web design by providing access to unique perspectives, improving aesthetics, and creating engaging visual experiences. By integrating drone photography into web design, designers can create visually stunning websites that captivate, engage, and leave a lasting impression on users. With the continued advancement of drone technology, we expect to see increased usage of aerial imagery in web design, further elevating the impact of drone photography in the digital world.